Today's recipe, creme fraiche. If you've ever had it, you know it's sour cream's sexier cousin. To make it, you only need 2 ingredients and a little patience. To start, take a 16-ounce sterilized jar, which you can do by dipping it into boiling water for a few minutes. We're going to fill that jar with heavy whipping cream. Make sure that's heavy whipping cream as opposed to normal whipping cream. Then take 3 tablespoons live cultured buttermilk. The cultures are what make the magic happen. Through the amazing process of fermentation, we are taking something plain and mediocre and turning it into something wonderful that is sure to impress your friends. We're going to warm the buttermilk just slightly, which speeds up the fermentation process. Don't worry, if you skip this step and use cold buttermilk, it will still work just fine. 15 to 20 seconds should do it. Add the warmed buttermilk into the heavy cream. Don't forget to stir thoroughly and then cover with a porous lid. I used a paper towel, but cheesecloth or a coffee filter will also work. Then, set it on the counter in a warm place and let nature take its course. In 24 hours, remove the cover and take a look. It should already seem thicker. Give it a stir, and you'll find it's nice and creamy. But don't be tempted to eat it just yet. We're still only halfway there. Doesn't that just make your mouth water? Screw the lid on and put it into the fridge for another 24 hours, where it will become twice as thick as the fermentation process completes. What you end up with is one of the most versatile ingredients known to chefs around the world, used both as a condiment and topping for many dishes, as well as a substitute for cream in many cooking and baking recipes. Semi-liquid heaven. Cream churned from the teats of an angel. And it goes good on tacos too. Little bit of bling with the cilantro and dinner is served. Thanks for watching.